You are going to love the 2025 Atlas Cross Sport. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.